XAIS-PTS is basically manages anything on the network, on the highway network. We're split into two parts. One is the software consultancy side, and the other is the data collection side, where we have multi-million-pound vehicles scanning the network, scanning for the data, and then we process it in our systems. Through the KTP project, we've got our system called XA, which manages all the infrastructure assets, and we wanted to further enhance our deterioration modelling within the system for all major assets.
The key aspect for me is that a KTP project is a collaboration between academia and the company, and the project must be co-created. It must fit both the objectives of the academic and the objectives of the company.
To make the KTP work, you need the KTP associate to have full knowledge of what is involved. We interviewed beforehand, so we made sure we got the right candidate. The support of the University of Nottingham, which is essential, because I didn't know how to do the finances, I didn't know what was required for the KTP, and because I don't have time for that, to have that support from that side of the business was great, and we wanted to do it, and so it was a really successful KTP.
So we came together in this project to translate our research into the activities XAIS and then get that to local authorities, so local authorities can make better investments, spend money more wisely, and get better results out of the same investment.
The University of Nottingham was excellent. The KTP office was always available to us, answered all the questions. They were there from the start to the end. The KTP scheme, I believe, is excellent. I think it's really good. It really moves us forward as a business, but you have to get the team right. One thing that I've learned was all the members of the team were pulling together in the right direction. That included the associate, the University of Nottingham, and ourselves. The one piece of advice I would take from having a KTP is that it's a journey. You're going to move forward, and you want to take that KTP associate on as an employee at the end of it. The KTP associate we had is excellent, and he's still with us now, and I'm hoping he'll stay with us for a lot longer.